Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers that don't fall apart. The secret to a perfect, juicy burger that holds its shape lies in a few simple steps. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ground meat to forming and cooking your patties. By following these easy tips, you'll create delicious, sturdy burgers every time, ensuring a satisfying meal without any crumbling mishaps. Let's get started on crafting your best burger yet. Selecting the right meat is crucial for a burger that stays intact. Opt for ground beef with an 80% lean to 20% fat ratio. This balance provides both flavor and structural integrity. When mixing in seasonings, be gentle and quick, aiming for about 30 seconds of mixing time. Overworking the meat develops tough proteins, making your burger dense and prone to crumbling. Keep it light and airy for a tender, cohesive patty. Forming your patties correctly is key to preventing them from falling apart on the grill. Aim for a consistent thickness of about 3/4 of an inch. This ensures even cooking and a stable structure. A clever trick is to press a small dimple into the center of each patty. This prevents the burger from bulging in the middle as it cooks. Make your patties slightly wider than your buns, as they will shrink by about 1/4 during cooking. Proper cooking techniques are essential for a burger that holds together. Start with a hot cooking surface, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, to create a quick sear that locks in juices and helps the patty firm up. Resist the urge to press down on your burgers with a spatula. This expels valuable moisture and fat, leading to a dry, crumbly result. Flip your burgers only once or twice to ensure they cook evenly and remain intact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.